Hi beloveds, how are you? I want to talk to you about being a good steward of your energy. You know, we only have so much energy and our bandwidth will only go so far. And I get a sense that some of us spend way too much energy on things out of our control. It's wasteful. It's wasteful energy, and many times it's self-sabotaging. We're just running in circles, wearing ourselves out on things that we can't directly control in the first place. And it's like, what's going on with that? You know, think about it. Can you control the opinions of others? You know, you can influence them to an extent, but at the end of the day, it's still out of your full control. So just don't focus your energies there, right? Can you control the future? Can you control your past and what other people do? You know, no, and no, you know, but you can 100% control your boundaries, the goals that you set for yourself. You can control what you think, what you do, and how you talk to yourself. You know, self-talk, you can control that. You choose 100% how you handle challenges. You know, how do you deal with drama? You choose that. You have 100% control over how you deal with drama. You have 100% control, you know, who and what you allow to take your energy or give your time and talent to. So it's really important to think about what you have control over and what you don't. You know, and don't waste your energy on things that you just don't have control over. Yeah, you can influence a bit, but at a certain point, it's just not worth it. So at the end of the day, just don't run yourself ragged. And I'm talking about physically and emotionally. You know, you can run yourself ragged physically, just running around and doing all kind of stuff, not getting enough sleep. You can, you know, run yourself ragged emotionally too, you know, so both are very important to keep in mind. So be a good steward of your time. Be a good steward of who you give your talent to, who you give your love to, who you give your everything to. Think about that. I like to go with the flow sometimes, but I found that when I'm more discerning with my time and my energy, I am less likely to regret it later. You know, once that time is gone, it's gone. So just be good stewards of your energy. Once that energy is spent, it's gone until you have a chance to recharge. So take care of yourself, give yourself the best, and, you know, give yourself where it's appreciated and where you have control. So focus on self-care, your well-being, and your strengths, and you will be much better for it. All right, beloveds, take care and see you next time. Comment in the chat below. Let me know if this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Would love to hear from you. Bye-bye.